Maybe they're the local athletes around here. We do have professional athletes that actually come out here. Ooh, that sounded loud and close. That sounded loud and close. All right, everyone, welcome back. I gave the Insta360 camera a little rest so it won't overheat, and I'm hearing thunder. And it's getting kind of windy and a little bit of a cooler breeze. I'm not quite set up for the rain, but wouldn't kill me. Wouldn't, you know, I think I'll be all right. So, anyways, it's going to be a little fun here. Let's see if we could see if it really does rain. I just checked the forecast this morning, but it's amazing. 6 hours, how much of a difference it can make. It kind of, I'm trying to see if there's any water drops anywhere. I don't see any water drops per se. I hear thunder, but that could be off in the distance. Oh, there it is again. Anyways, it may be a while before it reaches me, but if that's the case, I might have to find some shelter somewhere. So I'm on pedal assist 3, gear 7. Someone left their lovely dog poop in the middle of the trail here. Anyways, made it. And yeah, I'm feeling cold. A cold wind, which is definitely an early sign of rain coming. I think I see it too. It's right over there. Kind of see it. It's looks like things are falling from the sky over there. But it could pass us. But I see the clouds are drifting this way. So. Hoping it just passes by and doesn't come here. But either way, I'm ready. I'm ready. All right. They have a nice little AstroTurf over here. Someone's on it. Looks like they're doing some football training, maybe. School started, you know. Well, they would be in school, wouldn't they? So I don't know who these people are. Maybe they're the local athletes around here. We do have professional athletes that actually come out here. Ooh, that sounded loud and close. That sounded loud and close. You know what? I'm not sure if I want to stick around here that long now that I hear the lightning. I might, you know what? I'll do a run through the trail because I like doing that. And oh, it feels so much cooler in here. It feels a lot cooler in here. I might just run through the trail. It's amazing how things can quickly change. Your plans can quickly change. I don't know. I'll see. I don't know if I'll do bullet time today, mainly just because of the weather. I might just actually come down through the other side and head towards head towards the fitness center and maybe do some weightlifting inside a building, or I might go to the other one. It depends. Man, so many options, so many choices. It's hard to do anything these days. Oh, I feel drops already. I feel drops of water. I'm gonna get out of here. I already feel drops of water. Oh, yep, I feel drops of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get out of here. Oh yeah, I see drops of water already. I'm gonna try to head to let me decide which way I'm gonna go first. I'm trying to get out of here because I feel water hitting. Oh, got one hit my eye. It's amazing. I'm out of here. I don't even know where it's coming from. It's like, yeah, I'm looking at the bayou, the levee. There's some water in there, and I see little drops. Let me go pedal assist 5 actually. Pedal assist 5, gear 7. I'm trying to outrun this rain. I'm gonna try to make it to, I like the outdoor portion, the second fitness center. I'm gonna try going there. I have another 2 hours. So I have another 2 hours to ride my bike here. Let's see how the weather fares. I just don't want to get caught up in this rain.